Good morning this Monday the 19th of May. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed higher again on Friday as investors overlooked disappointing consumer sentiment data and continue to welcome progress on the trade talk front between China and the US. The S&P 500 rose 0.7% on Friday and 5.3% for the week. The Nasdaq gained 0.52% on Friday and 7.2% for the week. And the Dow Jones ended the day up 0.78% on Friday and rose 3.4% for the week. The latest consumer sentiment reading out on Friday showed investor sentiment fell to the second lowest level on record in the latest reading, while consumer prices are also expected to rise 7.3% over the next year, up from the reported 6.5% expected last month. Moody's downgraded the US credit rating on Friday, though, from AAA rating to AA1, citing concerns over rising US debt. Over in Europe on Friday, markets closed higher, led by Germany's DAX rising 0.3% to another record high close, while the STOXX 600 gained 0.4%, the French CAC rose 0.42%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.6%. Across the Asia region on Friday, markets closed mixed as investors digested weaker than expected GDP data out of Japan of a 0.2% contraction reported over the March quarter. Japan's Nikkei closed flat on Friday. Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell 0.46%. China's CSI index fell 0.4%, and South Korea's Kospi index ended the day up 0.21%. China's stocks were weighed down by Alibaba, missing earnings expectations on Friday. Locally on Friday, the ASX 200 ended the week at a three-month high after Australian economic data and global investor sentiment boosted markets to strong gains throughout the week and on Friday. The ASX 200 posted a 0.56% gain on the last trading session of last week, led by REIT stocks jumping 2.3%. Stock-specific news, Appen soared 18.7% on Friday after unveiling full-year revenue target between $235 to $260 million. That's a big game changer there. Uranium miners came under pressure on Friday, though, with Boss Energy, Deep Yellow and Paladin Energy each falling over 6%. On the commodities front this morning, oil is up 0.13% at $62.57 a barrel. Gold is up 1.12% at $3,240 an ounce, and iron ore is down 0.34% at $100.08 a tonne. The Australian dollar has strengthened against the greenback to buy 64.13 US cents, 93.04 Japanese yen, 48.23 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. Ahead of Monday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are expecting the ASX will open the day down 0.08%. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the 12-month price target on Temple & Webster from $15.60 to $21 and maintain a hold rating on the leading online homewares retailer after the company released a 2H or second half trading update to date, with revenue growth of 18% on the PCP and EBITDA margins towards the top end of guidance. The hold rating is maintained as growth to $21 per share is in line with Bell Potter's hold rating criteria. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on GR Engineering Services following the formation of a pattern over a period of 49 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $2.82 to the range of $3.30 to $3.40, according to Standard Principles of Technical Analysis. And that's all for this Monday morning. I hope you have a wonderful day, and as always, happy investing.